Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. Today we are going to start a new topic, which is angles. Now see, what is an angle? Now see, for example, if you watch this clock, when the minute hands moves, it is making actually an angle. Okay, look at this. If I take out the hands, now see, the minute hand with the hour hand, it is making an angle. This is an angle. Okay. Also, for example, if you open your room door or house door, it is also keeping on making angles as you move the door. Now see, how we can make an angle for ourselves is like we can take two ice cream sticks and then we can nail them together and then we can open and close to make an angle here. Okay, this is the angle. We can even increase and decrease. See, even if we increase, we can make a big one and we can make a small one. Which one is the bigger one here? This is the bigger angle, right? Okay. Now see, even with our arms, our arms, we can make angles. See, this is the angle, that pink color, right? And if you release the dumbbell down, you can make a big angle like this, and then you can take it up to make angle like this one, and you can make it further small like that. These are some naturally occurring angles. Okay, we can see from our atmosphere, from wherever we go, angles. Okay, these are some examples. Now look at this one. Next is to identify right angle. So you have to see that this square, okay, this square shows that this is a right angle. Now see, if you fold this paper, this piece of paper into four or two folds or four folds, you can see that one side that there is a right angle. See, this is this square denotes right angle. Okay, see, now this we can even make with ice cream stick a right angle if we can nail them such a way that we can form a perfect square in between the two ice cream stick. Okay, now that is we can say that's our 90-degree checker. For example, let's bring it here. This is the checker. Let's check with this angle. Of course, that's not 90-degree, right? But if we check from here, yeah, that's a 90-degree. You can check with these two. That will appear, I think that will appear 90-degree. But we look at the star. The star, none of the angles are 90-degree, right? Okay, but these windows, the corner of the board, the corner of the book, all of them are 90-degree. To show you that that is a 90-degree, they will put the square, like a small square like this. So they say this is 90-degree checker. Now you can do this exercise. I will do one question from each and then you can finish the remaining. Okay, now see, question number 1A part. Complete the sentences below. Figure A. This figure has how many sides? This figure has 6 sides. And how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 angles. You can do the B and C. Now see this one. How many angles can you find on the shaded surface of the following object? This is shaded, purple color shaded. How many angles? See, this is one angle, second angle, third, fourth, fifth. So we have 4 angles on the surface of the colored place. Okay, on the surface, that is the colored surface, purple colored surface. We can see 5 angles. You can do this one and check how many angles you will see on this surface. So we have 5 here. Now see this one. Find the right angle inside these figures inside, okay, inside these figures. So this is 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this L-shaped figure, I find there are 5 right angles. All right. Now you can do the remaining questions and then understand fully this topic. So I hope you understood what is an angle, identify how an angle is formed, and what is a 90-degree angle, and how we can check whether it is a 90-degree angle. Okay, thank you.